More experts, more services, and renewed health. This morning, we are so happy to welcome back to the show once again this morning, Apothicare 360. Both Dr. Stan Headley and Rich Vallette are here to tell you why they are more than just a pharmacy. Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome back.
Thank you again.
I'm learning so much from the both of you and kind of your traditional pharmacy, what we're kind of used to going to, what we think is the only option that we may have, as opposed to what your team is doing. So remind everybody what Apothicare 360 is able to do.
Absolutely. Well, Apothicare 360 is a full-service pharmacy and wellness clinic. It's actually where we treat patients like our neighbor and not just another number. In addition to Dr. John Dobbs, who's our pharmacy manager, we have an extraordinary team of pharmacy technicians. We have a critical care nurse, and myself on staff full-time as a board-certified naturopathic physician, so that we can provide our patients with a full 360 degrees of care.
Well, and healthcare is so important, and that needs to continue. You don't want to be felt like you're a number at the doctor's office, and you certainly don't want to be, feeling like you're just another number at your pharmacy either.
Correct.
Something that's really interesting that I'm learning about your team is, again, I didn't even know these options were available, is the amount of kind of compounding you're able to do. And really, whether it's whatever kind of medication you're taking, there are different options on how you take it and what may be better for you and your family, right? Is that something that you're able to help people with?
Oh, definitely. Compounding is a process where a commercially available medication may not work for a patient due to swallowing difficulties or other problems with a traditional mode of application where it doesn't work for the patient.
Case in point, you brought in some lollipops, essentially.
Yeah.
I didn't know this was possible.
We can take an active drug and make it into a lollipop or a lozenge, where a patient that has swallowing difficulties doesn't have to swallow the pill. They can suck on the lollipop or the lozenge and get the same dose of the medication.
And I was, asking you guys, I just thought that whatever, your traditional big box pharmacies, that's what was available, that there wasn't other options for whatever medication you needed.
Right, exactly.
But this is something to definitely look into. And then also we touched a little bit about last time too, was not even just for, your family members, walking on two legs, but your furry family members as well. This is something else you can compound medicines for?
Exactly. Pets are part of the family too, and they're a big part of our client base and our business, and it's very important when a pet is sick to have them be able to get the right medication. So we work closely with the veterinarians to flavor the medication so that the vet will prescribe it and the animal will take the medication. Well,
and what I love about your team too is you're very big on education, and one of the ways that you're able to do this is this great event coming up that you want to invite people to with this doctor who's a best-selling author as well, creating a lot of buzz in our area and across the nation.
Absolutely. Apothicare 360 is helping to bring Dr. David Perlmutter to Southwest Florida. And we're actually offering the Fox 4 viewing audience the opportunity to stop by our store on the corner of Daniels and Plantation Road to register, to win 2 VIP tickets for that fabulous event on February 17th.
Yeah, it really is going to be a great event. And again, I love that you're so big, your team is so big on educating, and again, not just being your average number of who walks in. I think people deserve more than that, certainly with their health care when it's so crucial, to their everyday life. So thank you both so much for being here this morning. We look forward to having you back.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For more info, you can go to our website as well, fox4morningblend.com. And still to come, our next guest is a real hoot. We fly on over to the Peace River Wildlife Center in just a few minutes.